Mari. Right, 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 right.
I think we should call the albularyo. We should use this big cell phone. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Sit down, please. Which do you prefer? The albularyo! Albularyo! We need it now! Because I cannot. I've got to eat this.
Oh, you're so old. The other reason why they're like that because they're eating. Start the session. Let's kneel down. So, which I have ever met. I have met Harry Potter. This is the greatest.
You just met them, and they are crazy.
Say OMG. OMG. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I can't seem to understand. I've given them the nuts.
Gagayang Vincent, uy.